Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to replace the screen on the Amazfit Bip U Pro. The screen became unresponsive, and even after trying to reset it through the software, there was no improvement. So, we've decided to replace the screen. It's going to be a straightforward process, and I hope you enjoy watching. And that's it. Screen swapped, watch back to life. Hope you enjoyed the quick fix. If this helped, tap like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.